What if I told you that Samsung's latest foldable is not just an upgrade, but a statement? A bold declaration that they are not backing down in the foldable race, especially with Chinese brands like Oppo, Vivo, and Honor closing in fast. But here's the real question. Has Samsung finally fixed the biggest complaints? Or is this just another incremental update wrapped in a shiny new package? Let's dive in and find out. For years, Samsung's foldables have dominated the market. But let's be honest, the competition has been catching up. Consumers are no longer willing to tolerate issues that rivals have already solved. And Samsung knows this. That's why leaks and early glimpses suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be the slimmest, most refined foldable Samsung has ever made. At MWC, Samsung showcased a mysterious foldable display alongside the Z Fold 6. While they never officially confirmed its identity, strong indications suggest that this was our first look at the Fold 7's new display technology. And here's the exciting part. It was almost crease-free. Yes, you heard that right. The crease, which has been a major pain point for years, appears to be significantly reduced, if not nearly eliminated. But before we get too excited, there's a catch. The device shown at MWC was a prototype, meaning it's unclear if this new display tech is fully ready for mass production. Samsung has a history of showcasing futuristic technology only for it to take years to hit the market. So the big question remains, will this crease-free display actually make it into the Fold 7? Or was it just a teaser of what's to come? Now let's talk about something that most foldable users have been complaining about for years: battery life. If you've used any previous Z Fold model, you'll know that Samsung has stubbornly stuck to a 4,400 mAh battery since the Z Fold 3. Meanwhile, Chinese brands have been pushing higher capacities and faster charging speeds. But here's the shocking twist. While the Z Flip 7 is rumored to be getting a battery upgrade to 4,300 mAh, reports on the Z Fold 7's battery remain unclear. Will Samsung finally break the pattern and offer a bigger battery? Or will they once again prioritize design slimness over endurance? That remains to be seen. But if Samsung really wants to dominate the foldable market in 2025, they cannot afford to ignore battery improvements. Beyond the battery, Samsung is rumored to be making major structural changes to the Z Fold 7. According to leaks, this will be Samsung's slimmest foldable yet, thanks to a redesigned hinge that allows for a flatter closure and a lighter frame. But what's even more interesting is that Samsung might be increasing the size of the cover display, making it wider and more usable, one of the biggest complaints about previous models. And then there's the camera. If the rumors are true, Samsung might finally be upgrading from the 50-megapixel sensor seen in previous Z Fold models to a 200-megapixel sensor, the same one found in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If that's the case, this could be the first foldable to truly compete with flagship smartphones in the camera department. But there's one more upgrade that could change the way we use the Z Fold 7. And it's got to do with the S Pen. The S Pen has always been a weird afterthought for the Fold series. Unlike the Galaxy S Ultra lineup, which has a built-in slot for the stylus, the Z Fold series has always forced users to buy a separate case to store it. But that might be changing. New leaks suggest that Samsung is working on an all-new S Pen designed specifically for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The biggest difference? It's rumored to be thicker, which could mean better grip, improved pressure sensitivity, or even new hardware features. The real question is, will this new S Pen finally be stored inside the Fold 7? Or will Samsung stick with the external case storage solution? That remains to be seen. If Samsung can retain key features like Bluetooth connectivity and air actions while improving the design, this could be the best S Pen experience on a foldable yet. But if they don't include a dedicated slot, it might still feel like an afterthought rather than an essential feature. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a massive step forward in Samsung's foldable lineup. A redesigned body, a near crease-free display, a potential battery upgrade, a 200-megapixel camera, and an improved S Pen experience. This could be the biggest upgrade since the original Galaxy Fold. But the real question is, will it be enough to beat the competition? With Chinese brands aggressively pushing foldable innovation, Samsung needs to deliver a game-changing device this year. And if they don't, they risk falling behind. So, what do you think? Is the Z Fold 7 the foldable you've been waiting for, or do you think Samsung is still playing it safe? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to know more about Samsung's next big surprise, check out my video on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, because Samsung might be bringing back a feature we thought was gone for good. Click on the link now. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit, and until next time.